So in this video, you'll learn how to reset the camera settings on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if your phone camera is giving you some issues and you want to take them back to default, then this is what you need to do. Open the camera app and then you want to navigate to the settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, you want to scroll until you find the option Reset Settings. Then once you've located it, just select it. You'll be prompted to confirm that you wish to reset your camera settings. So all you want to do is simply select Reset, and it will take you back to the main camera page where it will show you all the settings have now been reset back to their default status. So if things like the camera flash or the timer were on, they've been taken back to their default. Even just any other things that you've previously enabled, such as the watercolor, all sorts of things have been taken back to their default forms. If you have any questions or comments about this reset process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.